At the moment, we are paying, the community is paying 43 cents per kilowatt hour, and we are buying about 700 kilowatt from GTI for 54 cents. We have to take the loss. We had a situation where I can't recall exactly the year, where behind there got so full with water that it started to come over the wall into the plant in the property, but it never raised so high unless there is dirt and it comes over and through the yard as well. But we never had really that water itself come into the plant. Of course, if vegetation is not growing because of the rolling animals in the cliff, then it won't happen. So still, if it's helped quite a bit by taking the roaming animals off the streets and in the cliffs. But as long as the cliff is not protected, I think you're still going to get erosion.